Welcome back, Acadiana. We only have one warning so far for tonight, and that is the current severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 10:15. So the next couple of minutes, still dealing with some strong gusty winds and penny-sized hail for Acadia, Allen, Evangeline, and Jeff Davis parishes. So these storms will continue to push off towards the northeast, even a cluster of thunderstorms still for northern Jeff Davis as that pushes into Evangeline Parish for tonight. And these storms will continue to push off towards the northeast and farther south. Cluster of thunderstorms around Cameron Parish and Calcasieu that will eventually push into Jeff Davis Parish once again. So the rest of Acadiana staying pretty dry for tonight, but as that cold front pushes towards the east, we'll see those rain chances increase even more. So let's take it over to the green screen right now and check out the severe storm risk. Now, we did have a slight risk earlier, but the Storm Prediction Center has dropped that down to a marginal risk, so we still see some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms possible for the rest of tonight. And right now, the primary threat still includes gusty winds, and we can't rule out a brief spin-up tornado embedded with these storms, and also hail on the small end for tonight. So that cold front will continue to push through the rest of Louisiana for tonight. Widespread showers and thunderstorms pushing through the rest of Acadiana around midnight, and luckily we'll see that severe weather threat come to an end by the early hours of Friday, with a few lingering showers for that Friday commute. But afterwards, dry conditions for the rest of Friday coming up. May even have some clear skies out there by the time you reach the evening tomorrow. Now, temperatures on the other hand, pretty cool out there in the 50s and the 60s. We'll have that dry air in place only for a couple of days before the winds shift out of the south again, and that'll increase the moisture ahead for next week. And as far as those temperatures, everyone pretty much in the upper 60s to low 70s. So we got up to 78 here in Lafayette earlier this afternoon, so we'll just be a little bit cooler, but we'll still continue with mild temperatures for the rest of tonight and the weekend coming up. So let's recap those conditions for tonight. Showers and thunderstorms likely until midnight. We can still have strong to severe thunderstorms popping up with those storms as that cold front pushes towards the east, but we'll also keep up with windy conditions as well. Now, we don't have a wind advisory that expired earlier today, but regardless, we'll still have some breezy conditions even for tomorrow after that cold front pushes through. But luckily, we'll have some dry conditions out there for Friday morning, and mild temperatures continue through the rest of the week and the weekend coming up. So let's break down that 10-day forecast. We got that cold front pushing through for tomorrow. Temperatures still in the 70s. We may even have a few areas in the upper 60s coming up over the next several days. But temperatures by tomorrow night from the 60s tonight into the 40s ahead for tomorrow night, even for early Sunday. And we can't forget about Groundhog Day. But regardless, those temperatures are pretty spring-like for next week in the upper 70s. We may even have a few areas get into the low 80s for that first full week of February. And as I mentioned earlier, that moisture returning back for the middle of next week. So we'll have some low end rain chances for now about 20% as we get into the middle of next week, and that'll continue through the start of next weekend as well. So we'll have this warming trend over the next several days after this weekend passes through. But as far as those overnight temperatures, luckily we're not dealing with any freezing temperatures with this 10-day forecast either. Right now in the 40s this weekend to 50s by early Monday, and as we get into next week, we'll have those temperatures in the 60s coming up. So still dealing with some muggy conditions out there for next week, and those temperatures dropping slightly back into the low 50s. Stay tuned. We'll have another breakdown after this 10-day forecast coming up.